Okay, so we have to do number 15, right?
Yes.
So the matrix equation is given as a square b square minus 5 a twice b is equals to minus 6 minus 24, right?
Yes.
So here we have to find the value of a and b over here, right?
Yes.
So we will do the simplification on the left hand side and we will say that, okay, this remains a square b square and this negative 5, this 5 we are just going to do the multiplication. So it will remain, it will become 5a and 10b, right?
Yes.
Then we will continue and it will be a square b square, and over here we'll, okay, let's do it now. We'll have a square minus 5a and the other one will be b square minus 10b, right?
Yes.
Is equals to the other side minus 6 minus 24. If these two matrices are equal with each other, that means we can compare the elements. Okay. Therefore, we will say that a square minus 5a must be equal to minus 6, right?
Yes.
And b square minus 10b must be equal to minus 24, right?
Yes.
This 6, see, for now you are not able to solve this two equation because both are containing different variable. So you can make it quadratic over here only. A square minus 5a plus 6 is equals to 0. Can you see?
Yes.
And then you can simplify it. You can do the factorization. I think it will be a minus 2, a minus 3. Let me check. Yeah. So the a value we are getting as a 2 and 3, right?
Yes.
And what about b? So similarly, we'll be handling this equation, the quadratic equation we'll have over here. 6 4 times 24. So b square minus 6b minus 4b plus 24 is equals to 0. B we will take common, we'll have b minus 6. Minus 4 we will take common, we'll have b minus 6. So we are getting two b values. One is 6, another is 4. And yeah, two different answer is completely okay, right?
Yes.
Okay, we will leave the answer as it is because nothing is written after that. Any
Mm.
confusion?
No.
Yeah, please do it.
Okay. In this question, we are supposed to find the values of A and B.
Yeah, solve the matrix equation means just find the unknowns. Not only matrix equation, any equation it says solve, that means find the value of the unknown.
Okay.
Are you done, Miraj?
This one, right? Done.
Okay, so the next one. The next one is suppose a matrix A of order 3 by 3. A matrix A is there. I'm not writing the question completely. Okay. Shall I write? Let me write. Suppose matrix A of order 3 by 3. It's defined by Aij is equals to greatest integer function I plus j by 2, right?
Yes.
Where this is greatest integer function. It is written also. Another matrix B we are having. Other matrix B is also given over here as 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 3 2 0 4 0. Okay, the A matrix and B matrix both are given, and we have to determine, okay, the product, the summation, and the difference. So first of all, we need to identify what exactly is the matrix A. Okay, because clearly it's not given, but the relation is given. Since A is 3 by 3 matrix, okay, in the solution, first we will try finding the matrix A. It's a 3 by 3 matrix, okay, 3 by 3 matrix. And the relation is given as a, this one is A11, this one is A12, this one is A13. Next one will be A21, A22, A23. And next one will be A31, A32, A33, right?
Yes.
Okay, so directly I'm writing the matrix. Better let me write the matrix over here. This A11, A22 and all. I'll be writing beside that. Okay, just for calculation purpose. So everything I'm showing you the rough part here. I'll just show you directly what is the A matrix. First of all, we are trying to find A11. So what we'll do? 1 plus 1 by 2. That means 2 by 2. That means, okay, greatest integer function of 2 by 2, that is 1, will be 1 only, because the task of this box is to give you back the integer as an answer. So if it is already integer, it will not change anything and will give you back the same number. Making sense?
Yes.
Now the next one in the first row itself, A12. Okay, I is 1, j is 2 over 2. We are going to get 3 by 2. And if you will find the decimal, just if you'll do the simplification, it will be 1.5. Now the greatest integer function for this 1.5, okay, we understand it always give us the integer answer, but the integer which is smaller than or equal to 1.5. See, 1.5 is lying between two integers, that is 1 and 2. So it will always give you the smaller one. That is, again, it will give you the 1 as an answer. Making sense?
Yes.
So here 1 will be there. So we are done with A11, we are done with A12. Now I'm going to take A13. Making sense?
Yes.
So 1 plus 3 by 2, that is 4 by 2. And the answer, if it is already integer, if you will take it inside this bracket, still it will remain same. Clear?
Yes.
We are done with A11, we are done with A12, we are done with A13. Now we will be finding A21. So it will be again 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2, and again 1.5. The greatest integer function for this 1.5 is nothing but just 1. Nearest integer, which is a smaller. Okay, so 1. Clear?
Okay.
Making sense?
Yes.
A22 will be 2 plus 2 by 2, that is 4 by 2, that is just 2. If you will find the greatest integer function for this one, 2, the answer will be just 2 only. And now A23, when we'll do 2 plus 3 by 2, that is 5 by 2. That means 5 by 2 means 2.5. And if we'll find the greatest integer function for 2.5, it will be just 2, right?
Yes.
Is it clear so far, Miraj?
Yes.
Okay, I'll drop this rough portion, or if you want to note down, you can note down also. Now I'll find A31. Okay, A31. A31. A31 will be 3 plus 1, uh, I plus j by 2. So 3 plus 1 by 2, That is 4 by 2. That is just 2, which is already integer, so it will remain. We'll be finding a32, which will be 3 plus 2 by 2. That is 5 by 2, and which is 2.5. Greatest integer function for this 2.5 will be just 2. Okay, and a33, 3 plus 3 by 2, that means 6 by 2, that is just 3. Is it clear?
Yes.
So successfully we have written the matrix A. Now it says to find the product of A and B. So yeah, we will be able to find the product, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay, so can I rub the rough portion?
Okay.
Okay. However, if you want to note down, this is our A11. Okay. Next, A1 or 2, you can just see from here. A12 is this one.
Yes.
Okay. A13 is this one, just for your reference that from where we are getting the numbers. Basically, you need to be careful. When we are getting integer, that is fine. But when we are not getting integer, when we are getting 1.5 or 2.5, so just beside your, okay, just you write that greatest integer function for 1 is 1. For 2, it's 2. For 2.5, it's 2. Just 2, 3 values you write, you will be having clarity, because calculation you will be able to do by yourself, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm showing you what you can, if you want to write something in the rough part or the beside this solution, just for your clarity, when you will be doing the revision, it will make sense to you at least. So there, I'm showing you what you can write.
Okay.
You can write the greatest integer function for 1, it's 1. For 2, it's 2. For 2.5, it's just 2. For 1.5, it's just 1. For 3, it's just 3. If you will write this data, then it will help you finding the final answer, right? And yeah, you should
Yes.
have clarity also that we are taking the integer which is nearest, okay, or maybe equal.
Okay.
So we got A. Now we will be finding A into B. Our B matrix is already given. A we have already obtained. A into B carefully will be finding. So A into B. Okay, AB. It's first A, and then B. We understand the order is important over here. AB and BA is not same. So yeah, you need to write it carefully. A and then B. And then we'll be doing the AB is asked. Just a moment. Yeah, determine the product of A and B. So A and B product we are finding. Okay. We'll be doing the multiplication row to column. So 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. And 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, then first row with the second column. So 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Then 1 into 3 will be plus 3. And then 2 into 2 will be plus 4. Then first row and third column. Okay, so 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 4 is 4. And 2 into 0 is 0. Clear?
Yes.
Then second row with the first one. Okay, so 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into minus 2 it's minus 4. And 2 into minus 1 it's minus 2. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 2 into 3 is 6. And 2 into 2 is 4. 1 into 0 is 0. 2 into 4 is 8 and 0. Then 2 into 1 it's 2. 2 into minus 2 it's minus 4. And 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Plus 3 2 times 6. Plus 3 2 times 6. Yeah. Then 2 into 0 is 0. Then 2 into 4 is 8. And 3 into 0. Is it clear, Miraj?
Yes.
And now we just need to do the simplification to get the final answer. Please do this much and let me know. I'll be showing you the next part.
Okay. Done.
Okay, so we have already obtained AB. We also need to find the sum of A and B and the difference between A and B, right?
Yes.
Just a moment. So we'll be adding this to A plus B, okay, and we'll be finding the sum. So directly I'm writing 1 plus 1 will be 2, 1 minus 1 will be 0, 2 plus 0 will be 2, 1 minus 2 will be negative 1, 2 plus 3 will be 5, and 2 plus 4 will be 6. 2 minus 1 will be 1, 2 plus 2 will be 4, and 3 plus 0 will be 3. This is the result for A plus B, right?
Yes.
We also need to find A minus B. So A is 1 and B is 1, minus 1, 0. A is 1 and B is negative 1. So minus of minus 1, it will be just 2. 2 minus 0 will be 2. 1 minus of minus 2. That means 1 plus 2 will be 3. 2 minus 3 will be negative 1. 2 minus 4 will be minus 2. 2 minus of minus 1. 2 minus of minus 1 will be 2 plus 1. That
Yes.
is
3.
3. 2,
0 and 3.
2 minus 2 will be 0. And yeah, 3. And we are done, right?
Yes. I have
Yeah.
to do 1 plus A plus B also.
Yeah, please do it.
Okay. Done.
Okay. So this was, wait, this was the last question, right, Miraj?
Yes.
Actually, there was one more question which I really wanted to take over here. Just a moment, let me check if I can take.
Okay, sure.
Okay, so for now, I'm not getting that particular question, but I am explaining you what the concepts was, or for example, how exactly the question was. Actually, the question is really important, but I need time to check where it is. So yeah, let's move. Can you see the screen? No, right? Yeah, you can, right?
Can you repeat?
Can you
Can you
see the
repeat?
screen? Can you see the
Yes.
screen? I
Yes.
said that currently I'm not getting that particular question, but I am trying to show you the situation. Okay, the example.
Okay.
So actually the question will be like this, that let's say there is a matrix A. Maybe a 3 by 3 matrix will be given, that here 2 is there, here 4 is there, here maybe X is there. Here A is there, here 8 is there, here 0 is there. Here's here 1, here 0, here 2. Okay, and there will be a matrix A inverse will be also given. Since I am creating the example by myself, so yes, the numbers can be here and there. So the A inverse will also be given to you. Okay, there will be a number over here. Okay, a number will be there, maybe 24, maybe 15 will be there, maybe 35 will be there. Okay, maybe 12 will be there, maybe here B will be there. Okay, here let's say 13 will be there, here 12 will be there, here let's say 1 will be there and 2 will be there. Okay, so A and A inverse will be given to you, and it will be asked that hence find the value of A plus bx. You can clearly see I'm talking about this A, this X, and this B. Can you see?
Yes.
Are you understanding the question first?
Mm. Yes.
Okay, now the question is how we will do that. Are we going to take this A? We need to find the determinant, we need to find the inverse, I mean the adjoint, and we need to compare with that. See, that way we can still go, but it will be really tedious. Okay, one concept we know, that A multiplied with A inverse is nothing but just the identity matrix. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, and the identity matrix will be of same order. So if this is a square matrix of 3 by 3, if that is 3 by 3, so identity matrix we will be taking for 3 by 3, right?
Yes.
If this way we will solve this question, definitely we'll be able to find the equations and the values of A and B. For example, properly I'll take this question, okay, actual example in the next class, but today I'm just showing you quickly that what can be done. So A inverse will be finding, and we will be just taking this 2 multiplied with, okay, just matrix multiplication will be doing, okay, this 2
Okay.
multiplied, the row to column. So 2 multiplied with 24 will be 48. Okay. 4 multiplied with 12 will be this 12, 2 times 12, 48. Yeah, and b multiplied with x will be bx. Okay, next element just like that will be finding. It will be really huge. You can understand the calculation will take time, and then we will be comparing it with the identity matrix. That is okay. We'll be doing all the calculation over here, and the other side will be the matrix, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Identity matrix we have taken for order 3 by 3, making sense.
Yes,
And the moment you will compare element wise, okay, the first element over there with the first element over there, okay, a11, okay, both the a11 we will compare, a12, a13. If we will compare it like this, then we will end up getting so many equations, okay, which we will solve further to take out the value of a, b, and x. The moment we will get a value, b value, and x value, then we can just put the value over here to take out whatever is asked. Making sense?
yes,
Okay. With this example which I have created, why I am not proceeding? Because you can understand A inverse I have written. And if the numbers can be taken randomly, any number, then the calculation may not give us A, B, and C. That's why I am not proceeding with the multiplication. Is it making sense?
no. Can you please re-explain?
I said that if the matrix A is there, A inverse must make sense. Okay, I have taken randomly one of the exam, like maybe the A inverse is this one. If we will do the multiplication of A and A inverse with this random example, which is not properly, this A inverse, it's not the correct A inverse, right?
Yes,
So if I'll do the multiplication of A and A inverse, the chances are maybe, okay, after doing all this multiplication, we won't be able to find the unknowns value A, B, and X. Maybe. Okay, that's why I'm not proceeding with this example. I'll take the actual question. Okay.
okay.
So yes, Miraj, uh, this was the last question. Do you want me to explain anything else?
Yeah,
There are so
I'll see.
many. You'll see. There are so many questions which I want to take over here. Matrix and determinants you have done. Continuity and differentiability you have done, right?
Yes,
So at least you should practice questions from here. I'll take few questions from matrix and determinants, okay, and from continuity and differentiability as well. In the next class, I'll be taking the questions. You meanwhile, you also, if you are getting any questions while practicing, you can send it to team. They will just forward it to me, and I can take those questions over here. Okay.
okay,
So yeah, today I'm keeping this much over here. You practice these questions which we have discussed already, and let me know if you are having any confusion. Okay?
okay, sure.
Yeah. So yes, Miraj, keeping it this much. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Yeah, you too. Bye. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.